Morning, everyone. It's great to be once again connected to you via these morning snippets. Greatness. Greatness is something you were born with. Greatness is embedded in you. As you get up early in the morning and as you reflect yourself in the mirror, do you see a fragile, lazy old self, or do you see someone great? That is where you start. You start focusing as you get up, as you wake up early in the morning. Focusing means being self-disciplined. Focusing means driving your passion towards one goal. Focus means giving your 100%. Focusing means removing distractions which pull you down in achieving your goals and aspirations. To be focused, you need to have something to focus upon. It can be your work, it can be your dream, it can be your goal, it can be your education, it can be your family, it can be business. Whatever it may be, you need to give your 100%. Sometimes we tend to focus on too many things and distract ourselves from the most important things we need to be focused upon. The number one thing which is most important is to list what you need to do, prioritize them, and then focus upon the most important things that needs your attention. So today, as we start this brand new day in the morning, focus on the most important things of your life. Give your 100%. Commit to them. Be self-disciplined to complete them. You will be successful. Like I said, greatness is in you. Be focused. Enjoy your day. May God bless you all. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Continue to like, share and comment. Looking forward to meet you on another day.